I didn't wait for my mini. I made mine out of duct tape. Safety first.
I saw a video of it online, and at first I thought it was a joke.
You all thought it was impossible to get a new mini, right? Check this mini dupe out. Wow. New rims.
And then I saw another.
My DIY crochet mini, made with 12 miles of yarn. What should I name her?
Because of the supply chain crisis, people were actually DIYing minis.
I made my own mini, out of cardboard, and a golf cart.
Full scale, homemade, out of anything they can get their hands on.
Who are these people?
We had one goal: shut this DIY mini trend down. Hard. Oh, it's Minnie. Hello, Agent Rolf speaking.
Great news, Rolf.
Uh-huh.
Mini production is back.
So the DDD can just close completely.
Yep, go home and celebrate.
Yeah, that's great.